Origin of salts. The Earth's surface is composed of various minerals and rocks. When it rains, the water that falls from the atmosphere interacts with the land, picking up small amounts of dissolved minerals and salts. This process is known as weathering. The water then flows into rivers and streams, eventually making its way to the oceans. Transportation of salts to the oceans. As rivers and streams flow towards the ocean, they carry along the dissolved salts and minerals they have collected from the land. This includes elements like sodium, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and chloride, among others. Over millions of years, the continuous flow of water from land to the sea has resulted in the accumulation of these salts in the ocean. Salt concentration. The salinity of seawater refers to the concentration of dissolved salts present in it. On average, seawater has a salinity of about 3.5%. This means that for every 1,000 grams of seawater, approximately 35 grams are dissolved salts. However, the exact salinity can vary depending on factors such as location, depth, and proximity to freshwater sources. Evaporation. The primary reason for the high salt content in seawater is the process of evaporation. As sunlight heats the surface of the ocean, water molecules gain energy and become vapor, rising into the atmosphere. This process is known as evaporation. However, the dissolved salts and minerals in the water do not evaporate. They are left behind in the ocean. Desalination and balance. While evaporation removes water from the ocean, it does not remove the dissolved salts. Therefore, over time, the concentration of salts in the remaining seawater increases. However, this process is balanced by the addition of salts from various sources. Rivers continue to bring in more dissolved salts, and volcanic activity, as well as underwater volcanic vents, release minerals into the ocean. This continuous cycle of addition and evaporation helps maintain the salinity of the oceans. Salinity variation. The salinity of seawater can vary in different parts of the world. Factors such as geography, climate, rainfall, and proximity to freshwater sources can influence the salinity levels. For example, areas with high evaporation rates and little rainfall, such as the Red Sea or the Dead Sea, tend to have higher salinity than regions with heavy rainfall and significant freshwater input. In summary, seawater is salted due to the accumulation of dissolved salts and minerals that are carried by rivers and streams from the land into the oceans. The process of evaporation removes water from the ocean, leaving the salts behind and increasing the salinity. This is balanced by the continuous addition of salts from various sources, maintaining the overall salt content of seawater.